I'm on my PyCharm now. Firstly, to increment the characters in a string, let us define the string first. I'm having my string name to be str. Input. I want my user to enter his input string. Now, for char in str, firstly let me define another string which contains all the values incremented. Okay. Now for char in string, str2 plus is equals to char plus 1. Remember to have this within parentheses. Now I'll print my string. I'll run my program. Hope this must run. Let us see. Wait a minute. Yeah, I'll have my string to be hello. It has returned a type error, can only concatenate string not int to str. Okay, so here we have given char plus 1, but we want to convert this character into string and then add the 1 to the character. So we use void function to convert char into ascii value, and then we use char function to again convert that ascii value into character. Okay, now I'll run my program again. Run new string. Sorry, I have some syntax error here. I have forgotten to give a parenthesis. I'll run this program again. In the string, I'll have the same string, hello. It has returned me, I have some random string, right? So, in this way you can increment the string, that is the characters within a string. Here you can use 1, 2, 3, whatever value you want. Run new string, enter the string, hello. So this is a program to increment the characters within a string. Okay, that's all for today, and please like, share, comment, and if you have any doubts, reach me out at the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel for more new videos about Python tutorial and simple basic programs about Python. Okay, thank you, bye.